Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass 100R series by Leer. This is a 2016 to current model Nissan Titan crew cab with a 5.6 bed. Burgundy in color. NAH was the paint code on that burgundy color. It's in decent shape. It does have some issues on it. Does have some paint chips and scratches right there on the back corner here. Minor chip right there. It does have the Thule roof racks on the top. Small chip there. Just some minor chips there on the top. Another one there, another one there. Really, all in all, from distance, this thing looks really good. Not a big distance, just a minor distance. Bottom edge is in decent shape. It does have some chips and scratches on it because it's been, looks like it's been set on the ground. A couple chips right there. A lot of times when we get these, people have already taken them off their trucks and they've set them right on the ground and chipped up the paint. The bottom edge is chipped there. And then you got a couple right here on the corner. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. Minor chip right there. A couple small chips right in there. Another chip right there. Some minor, looks like those little stone chips there on this top edge. Top looks really good. Down through here looks good. Bottom edge on the front here is nice. Of course, it doesn't get a lot of abuse because the truck cab blocks anything hitting that other than the corners. Front corners look nice and clean, no damage there. Just have a, I don't know what that is. Looks like a little bit of discoloration. It's not scratch or anything. I'm not really sure that. Just some discoloration there in the paint. Probably had something to do with these racks up above it. Couple chips right there in the paint. Down through here, looks good. Bottom edge, got a small chip there. Oops. Some grass here. Another, whatever that is. Small chip right there. So looks like it was probably set on the ground when we got it. Half side sliders on this side. Single T-handle, or yeah, single T-handle frameless locking rear door. Small chip right there. Okay, now and this is where we looked at earlier. Above the brake light, we got some scratches going on there. And then it runs across over here too. So, not really sure how that happened, but it's there. Then we have a small chip right there. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens look pretty decent. It does have a hole right there in it. Nothing really else on this side. This side, got screens look pretty good on this side too. Only see maybe a little bit of a snag right there on the screen. Other than that, really looks good on the screens. Serial number right there, 100XR 56NT16. So it's a 5.6 bed Nissan Titan, 2016 to current model. NAH is the paint code, so it's NAH burgundy. There it is. Does have dome light. Yep, it has a dome light there. So there it is. Leer 100XR fits the 2016 to current model Nissan Titan with a crew cab with a 5.6 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, lift kits, can all be purchased from us online as well. So just go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we can take care of it from there for you. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're looking for certain model, certain color, certain size, what have you, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as the inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button, stay up to date on what's coming in as it comes in. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.